I found out I had peanut allergies when I ate peanuts one time and ended up with anaphylactic shock. I started turning red and couldn't breathe, and I ended up in the hospital.
Before I started the treatments, I was having a lot of physical problems. I wasn't feeling well. I didn't know why. I didn't know why I didn't have any energy.
I have an allergy which is very rare, and it's called sulfites. Sulfites is a preservative that's found in many different foods, almost 95% of what we eat.
About 6 months ago, we started experiencing some difficulties in his behaviors to the point that he was actually hitting some of his classmates in school. And when he would be put into timeout, he would actually start becoming even more aggressive in his behaviors.
Hello. Over the next several minutes, we'll be discussing a revolutionary new technique in helping people get rid of allergies and chronic health problems. If you suffer from allergies or an illness that's been long-standing, watch this video closely. It may just save your life. Hello, I'm Dr. Steve Popkin. You know, more and more healthcare consumers are starting to understand and appreciate the many unique benefits of alternative healthcare. The Nambudripad allergy elimination technique, NAET, otherwise known as NAET, is proving to be successful for the treatment of allergies and chronic illnesses for tens of thousands of patients worldwide without the use of drugs, oral medications, or shots. First, let's define what allergies are. An allergy is a condition of unusual sensitivity of a person to one or more substances which may be harmless to the majority of other individuals. Simply stated, an allergic reaction is when the energy within your own body is not compatible with the energy of an invading substance, such as dog hair, food, or pollen. Allergens can enter our bodies in many ways. We can breathe them in through our respiratory tract. They can enter our digestive tract with our food and drink. We can be exposed to them through the skin and mucous membranes or by sexual contact. They can be inserted into the body by injection or by insect bite. We can even manufacture them within our own bodies. When contact is made with an allergen, it causes blockages in the energy pathways called meridians, disrupting the normal flow of energy through the body's electrical circuits. This energy blockage causes interference in the communication between the brain and the body via the nervous system, which begins a chain of events that can develop into an allergic response. When the energy imbalances remain within the body, the brain signals the body about the possible dangers via various symptoms, such as illness, inflammation, headaches, fever, heart attacks, strokes, abnormal growth, tumors, and various physical, physiological, and psychological discomforts. Sometimes symptoms do not appear at all. Some people are not even aware that they even have allergies. Many view their allergies simply as a nuisance, while others have allergies so severe it interferes with their chosen lifestyle. Undiagnosed allergies, when left untreated, could be the common cause of chronic illnesses that are severe enough to even lead to death.
And I did a lot of research on the web to find out what sulfite really was. I found out that the FDA says you have to have 10 parts per million in order to put that on a label to let people know there are sulfites contained in this food product. My problem was 1 part per million could send me to the emergency room where I'd have an anaphylactic reaction, which means your muscles swell up in your neck, you get puffy eyes, the nose starts to become congested, and you can't breathe. I can die in 6 minutes.
By reprogramming the brain and removing the blockages from the energy pathways, NAET allows the body to regain perfect balance and function normally to reach optimum health. From a Western medical point of view, an allergy is an overreaction of the immune system. The Eastern medical approach is based on holistic principles and is defined in terms of the effect an allergic substance has on the energy flow in the body. Currently, conventional medicine has more than 15 methods to diagnose allergies, some being more invasive or embarrassing than others. As well as the many intrusive or uncomfortable allergy testing techniques of conventional medicine, the treatments they provide can be just as undesirable.
I started going to my doctors to have tests done to see if there was something wrong. Everything came back negative, that I was okay, but I still wasn't feeling myself. And
we started seeking conventional therapy at that point. And we went through about 3 or 4 months of that therapy and didn't seem to have much luck.
So I ended up going to an allergist to see if I could get help. And he told me for food allergies, basically there's nothing they can do about it.
I went to traditional physicians. They were not able to help me.
This is where NAET comes into play. NAET is an innovative treatment for allergies that is completely natural, painless, and non-invasive. This method can be used on individuals young or old, even newborns, including healthy individuals with predisposing allergies that are hidden that could cause serious illness in the future.
I went to NAET and had it done, and now I feel a lot better. They have cured me of my peanut allergies. I'm able to live my life again.
We tried the NAET technique and we found very good results and have actually seen a very much of a difference to the point that he's actually a different little boy now.
Once you do the treatment and once you clear the treatment, you never have to worry about being allergic to that allergen again.
Through NAET, it was able to save my life. I don't have anaphylactic reactions. I feel more comfortable in what I eat. It's truly been a wonderful process for me.
NAET succeeds where other treatments fail because other traditional methods treat the symptoms from the allergen reaction in the body, whereas NAET focuses on the cause and the correction of the allergic reaction.
I found NAET. It has saved my life.
And since NAET, I'm able to live a normal life.
I'm alive because of NAET.
Since I've started the treatments, I am feeling wonderful.